Project Netra Network for Space Object Tracking and Analysis is an initiative by Indian Space Research Organization to develop India's own space situational awareness SSA capability. It aims to track space debris and protect Indian satellites. About Project Netra. Project Netra Network for Space Object Tracking and Analysis is a space surveillance initiative by ISRO. It aims to develop India's indigenous space situational awareness capability to detect, track, and monitor objects in space. The project focuses on tracking space debris, inactive satellites, and other orbiting objects that may pose a threat to active Indian satellites. It helps in providing early warning of potential collisions, allowing corrective actions like changing satellite orbit. Project Netra uses a network of ground-based radars, optical telescopes, and data processing systems to observe and analyze space objects. It can track objects in low Earth orbit (LEO), medium Earth orbit (MEO), and geostationary orbit (GEO). The project is part of India's effort to ensure the safety, security, and sustainability of its space assets. Project Netra components. Project Netra includes a network of advanced telescopes and radars to track objects in space. It plans to set up a high-precision, long-range telescope in Leh and a radar system in the northeast to improve coverage across different regions of India. It also uses existing systems like the Multi-Object Tracking Radar (MOTR) at the Satish Dhawan Space Center along with telescope at Panmudi, Kerala and Mount Abu, Rajasthan. All these systems together help in creating a comprehensive picture of space activity and tracking space debris. A dedicated space situational awareness center will be set up to bring together all tracking data from different ISRO centers into one place for better analysis and quick decision making. At present, India has several important satellites that need protection. Around 15 communication satellites in geostationary orbit about 36,000 km, about 13 remote sensing satellites in low Earth orbit up to 2,000 km, around 8 navigation satellites in medium Earth orbit. Earlier, India depended partly on global agencies like NORAD, USA, Canada for space debris data, but Project Netra aims to build independent capability. Implementing agency efforts related to space situational awareness in India are led by ISRO. These activities are coordinated through the SSA Control Center in Bangalore and are managed by the Directorate of Space Situational Awareness and Management at ISRO headquarters. Concerns related to space debris. Space junk includes old rocket parts, non-working satellite, and small fragments created after collisions or anti-satellite ASAT tests. These objects move at extremely high speeds around 27,000 km per hour in low Earth orbit, so even a tiny piece can seriously damage or destroy a satellite. These makes space increasingly dangerous and crowded, putting important services like communication, GPS, weather forecasting, and defense at risk. According to ISRO, thousands of close approach events are detected every year where space objects come very near to Indian satellites, increasing the risk of collision. A major source of debris is past events like China's 2007 ASAT test, the 2009 collision between Cosmos 2251 and Indium 33. Recently, there have also been several close encounters within 1 kilometer involving satellites from Starlink and Indian satellites. Growing space activity increases the risk of a chain reaction of collisions, which can make some orbits unusable in the future. Project Netra challenges and limitations. High cost and infrastructure needs. Setting up advanced radars, telescopes, and data centers require huge investment and continuous maintenance. Technological limitation. Detecting very small debris less than a few centimeters is difficult even with advanced systems, but such debris can still cause serious damage. Limited coverage. India's SSA network is still developing and has less global coverage compared to countries like the USA. Data accuracy and tracking complexity. Space objects move at very high speeds, making precise tracking and prediction of collision challenging. Dependence on international data. Despite NETRA, India still needs to rely partly on external agencies for comprehensive global tracking data. Project NETRA's strategic and security significance. Project Netra has a strong strategic and security importance for India. It gives the country the ability to independently monitor space activities, including satellites and objects belonging to other nations. This is crucial in today's time as space is increasingly becoming a domain of competition and strategic importance. Project Netra can detect, track, and record space objects as small as 10 centimeters. It has a tracking range of about 3,400 km, allowing it to monitor objects in orbit up to around 2,000 km above the Earth. By developing its own space situational awareness system through, India can reduce its dependence on foreign agencies for tracking data. This ensures better control over sensitive information and faster decision making in case of potential threats. Project Netra also helps in protecting critical space assets such as communication, navigation, and defense satellites, which are essential for national security and daily services. In context of rising militarization of space and anti-satellite capabilities, it allows India to detect suspicious activities and respond efficiently, enhancing space situational awareness. India, as a growing space power, needs strong space situational awareness to protect its satellite and space assets. It is an important part of national capability, just like in advanced countries. SSA act as a force multiplier by improving both space safety and national security. It helps India keep track of all activities happening in space. It has a strategic and military role as it supports defense system by monitoring objects that could pose threats from space. SSA uses a mix of satellites, ground-based radars, and tracking systems to detect and monitor objects not only in space but also potential threats from air and missile systems. With the help of long-range radars, SSA can also work as an early warning system against incoming ballistic missiles. Global context and comparison. Advanced space power like the United States have highly developed space situational awareness systems such as the Space Surveillance Network, which can track thousands of space objects accurately. These countries use a combination of ground-based radars, telescopes, and space-based sensors for global coverage and real-time monitoring. Other major players like Russia and China are also strengthening their SSA capabilities due to increasing space competition and security concerns. Compared to them, India's SSA capability is still developing, but Project Netra is a major step towards bridging this gap. With Project Netra, India is moving towards becoming a self-reliant and responsible space power, ensuring better protection of its space assets and contributing to global space safety.